Hello everyone, welcome back. Today is Saturday and my husband and I are about to go run some errands. The weather is finally getting cooler here in Las Vegas and I have been wanting an outdoor fire pit for such a long time, and apparently I'm not the only one because we went looking yesterday and they were pretty hard to come by here in town. So I went ahead and ordered one online, but now we want to look for some new patio furniture to go with our new fire pit. Anyway, I thought I would do just a quick get ready with me tutorial showing you the type of makeup that I wear when I am just going to be running around town doing some errands or doing some shopping on a Saturday. So I am going to be using no foundation and I am only going to be using one makeup brush. So if you'd like to see how I go from this to this in under 5 to 10 minutes, then please keep on watching. I did already apply moisturizer, beginning by using a little eyeshadow primer because my lids get extremely oily, and even if I don't wear eyeshadow, I always use an eyeshadow primer simply because it helps to keep my mascara from transferring onto my lid or smudging underneath. And it also keeps my lids from looking just really shiny and greasy. So now for my face, I am using the only brush in the video, this one from Sephora. It's the brush number 57 and the Nars Soft Matte Complete Concealer. I'm using the shade 2.5 Creme Brulee. And I am using this in this area right here where I have the most discoloration, and then also through my T-zone. So on my nose, and through here, and definitely around the sides of my nose. And now I'm also going to take that and put it under my eyes where I have some dark circles. And then I'm just going to use my finger and blend it out. And to buff in where I've applied the concealer, I am taking this sponge from e.l.f. Yes, it's dirty, don't judge me. And I'm just blending it all together. So yeah, I've still got some redness on my cheeks, but by going over it with just whatever concealer sort of transfers onto the sponge, it's getting neutralized without adding any coverage or heaviness or cakiness. So does my skin look perfect? No, but it gave me a little bit of coverage, neutralized that redness, hid my broken capillaries. Another great option for concealer is this one from Clinique. It is the Even Better All Over Concealer Eraser. It has this little sponge at the top, and it's pretty awesome for blending out, well, your concealer. I'm only showing this because the Nars concealer is great for the face, but it can be a little bit drying if you have very dry under eyes already. It works fine for me on my under eyes, but especially when applied with that brush, but I know some people find it to be a little drying under the eyes. So let's move on to brows. Now, if you already have great brows, you don't need to do this step, but I do not have great brows. So I always brush them upwards. And this product right here has been a game changer for me. It's the Maybelline Brow Extensions. This allows me to do my brows in literally seconds. I do need to get close to the mirror though. Can't see. This is just a wide pencil that fills your brows in with fibers, so it gives them fullness. Oh, this is the only thing that isn't good. It does get a little chunky after a certain point. So you do kind of have to switch what side. Hey, my mirror went out. You do have to switch what What is going on? It doesn't want to be held up, I guess. So let's see, hopefully I'll stay in frame. Yes, no? Okay. So what was I saying? That sometimes you have to keep turning the pencil so that you are keeping it even around all sides. Does that make sense? Whew, I need to tweeze. Look how fast that was. And then I do like to set them with a little brow gel. This one is from Maybelline. It is the Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer. I gotta say, Maybelline has really stepped up their brow game. They have some really good brow products. And by doing this step, running a little brow gel through, you'll get rid of any clumpies you may have gotten with the brow extensions. Now for the eyes, I'm going to be using this Nude Sticks Magnetic Luminous Eye Color in the shade Immortal. And I am going to run that all over my lid and blend it out with my finger. And I want to make sure I get it right at my lash line too. So the darkest color is at the lash line. And then I'm going to run a little bit underneath my eyes as well. And once again, blending out with my finger. I want to get this corner really well too. And then you can keep going in with this pencil until you achieve the desired intensity. Your desired intensity, I should say. And then just use a clean finger to sort of diffuse the outer edges. Now this next step is optional, but you can take a powder eyeshadow in the same tone. I'm using this beautiful one from the Master Metallics from Makeup by Mario. This color is gorgeous. And I'm just going to apply that right on top of that Nude Sticks cream shadow. Look how gorgeous that is. Again, this step is optional. By the way, this is an amazing color combo if you have blue eyes. So obviously this is taking longer than 5 to 10 minutes, but I think you can understand that I am talking through it, so that's why it's taking me longer. Next, I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply some mascara. I don't think you need to see that. You know how that's done. For blush and lips, which is really all that's left, I'm going to use this product from RMS. It's their Lip to Cheek. And this comes in several really, really pretty colors. I love the texture of this. Just applying it to my upper cheek, just to sort of give my face a lift. And this product just really melts into the skin. I did just recently order the new Milani cream blushes, so if you are looking for a budget-friendly alternative to this, stay tuned. I hope to have one for you very soon. But as you can see, I also like to pat this through this area right here so that it gives me sort of a sun-kissed, natural look, or naturally sun-kissed look. I find some cream blushes emphasize my texture, and this one doesn't. And as you hopefully could see, when I'm patting it in, it looks a lot brighter than after it settles, because I'm obviously hitting my skin. So my skin tends to turn a little bit red when it's being patted And if you have dry skin or you just want to be extra glowy, I recently discovered this product from Cora Organics. It is the Rose Quartz Luminizer. And this is just going to give me a little bit more glow and more of a lift to my cheeks. Look at that, my cheeks look much more lifted. Then I'm going to dab a little bit in my tear ducts. You can also put a little bit under your brow if you'd like. Finally, I am going to use that same RMS lip to cheek with my finger. Okay, now I'm gonna go get dressed, fix my hair up a little bit, and I will show you the final look. So this is the completed look. Two extra things I did do off camera. I tightlined under my lashes using a black eye pencil, and then I also decided to outline my lips with a little bit of my go-to Marc Jacobs lip pencil in Nudist. I didn't do much with my hair. I just sort of brushed it and then clipped it in one of those old school claw clips. I hear they're coming back in style. Yay, because they're so easy to use. And it might look like I'm dressed up, but this is just a cotton off the shoulder. It's almost like a sweatshirt material. I purchased it from, I think, Vici last year. If I can find something similar, I'll link it. I'm gonna throw on a pair of jeans and some flats and a mask and head out. So I really hope you all enjoyed this video. And if you did, as always, I appreciate you giving it a thumbs up. If you are not already a member of the Risa Does Makeup family, we would love to have you. All you have to do is click that subscribe button to join us. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok under the same username, Risa Does Makeup. Thank you all so much for watching. Again, I really hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.